over. Just a quick video to explain how I'm thinking a tool stock might, or a headstock and a tailstock on some kind of, on the top of the lathe might work. Something about this process that I'm beginning to realise more and more throughout the last few videos was that it's very difficult to design on paper what I'm going to be making, and then to just go out and execute those plans. Instead, it's a process of back and forth between the materials and the difficulties, the sizes, the hidden nails, the knots, yeah, all these things that I can't plan for when I'm behind a desk. I have to come out here, have a look at the materials, play with them, cut them, size them up against each other, and go from there. So it's a case of looking at the materials, designing, looking at the materials, designing, making, designing, all at the same time. Thought I'd talk you through my thought process at the moment as to how this part of the lathe might be made. So firstly, where the chuck will go on the headstock is just simply, so as in the last video you saw, this was cut off from the end of a pallet. The headstock, this is just another corner of a pallet from something like this, just a bit like that. Take them out. The headstock will go on like this on one side, and that'll be fixed. And then the tailstock, which can be then adjusted to various lengths, will work something like this. So this is another corner of a pallet, and it will just slide in here, and then that can be moved across like that. Obviously there's way too much room there at the moment, but I was thinking about having a wedge system. So you would set up the length depending on the piece. So you're lathing something like that, or turning something like that, you would set the tailstock up accordingly to those lengths. So just to show you a bit more what I mean, this is a mallet, an old mallet that I made out of pallet wood. So that's just using a sort of wedged mortise joint, mortise and tenon sort of thing, with a little shoulder there. And if I just put that in like that, that can then slide along down like that. And we're going to use this piece, this offcut from this workbench, as just some kind of wedge. So that will go in like that. So as you can see there, let's see. Well, you might be able to see now a bit more. So this wedge will just hold it. Obviously it's not very strong, but that will be tailored a little bit more. This wedge will hold the tailstock in, and there will be some kind of plank here, which has the whatever holds the piece into the chuck headstock part. And that could be obviously moved up and down and fastened in accordingly to the size of the piece that I'm looking to turn. So yeah, that's pretty much that. Yeah, keep up with the videos and follow the vlog, and follow on Instagram. Yeah, take care.